Welcome back. In our first part, that is the part one of this video, we learn how to create our text and how to give it a layout, that is how to create something of this nature. Now we are going to learn how to make it glowy, because our target is to create something of this nature. So how to make it glowy, that's what we want to learn now. So let me minimize this for us to continue our work. Yes, we have this. Now the first thing you're going to do is you've created your layer just as I taught you in the first part. Now the next thing is you come on to the second layer, that is the copy one. Then you give it what? Outer glow. Can you see it? The outer glow, you make it white. Then the opacity, you make it this. You overlay it. Then the size, you make it more bigger. Let me give you, here is normal. Let me make it like this. Yes, giving it, make the size 10. Then you press on what? Okay. Now that's that about that. Then the second one, you give it what? An inner glow. Giving it inner glow, you make it 100% edge. Then you click on this. The size, you make it white. Sorry, the first one will not make it white, so you come back here and make this 100% white. That is, you give it FFF, you make it white. Yes, after making it white, you can see our text has started coming up a little. So the next thing we have to do is, now you are to convert this. After converting it, the same thing as this, so you convert it to a layer instead of making it a text. So the next thing you are going to do is, once you double click on this, then you have to do this, the contour. You choose, no, not this, not this, not this, not this. You check for a suitable one. Yes, so we can still maintain the one we are using presently. So the next thing is you drop a shadow, but on the first, yes, you drop a shadow, drop shadow. You make it what? 45 degree. Then you give it, so you make this 30 and this 25. Then you make this 0, and again you make this 100 and you put it to normal. Yes, so you can press on enter. So the next thing you are going to do is you click here, create a solid color. Then the color is 009 CFF. Yes, that is a light blue. Then you click on what? Okay. Then you make it, take it to the top. You take it to the top. Then you give it what color? Can you see it? Make it to be what color? Then that's done for the text. So now we are on to the layout of the box. Let me shift this. Now for the box, all we need to do is, since we have it already, you can just duplicate it as usual. I'm going to duplicate it. Yes, you duplicate it again. Then you remove this. We don't need this effect. We don't need this. You just, to make your work more easier, the first thing is you convert. Here too, you convert. Now you are to copy here, you keep it here. So that is that about that. So the next thing we are going to write is the best 3D channel. The best 3D channel. Sorry. So you click on here, then you drag it. You can see it's more than the size. All you need to press is what? Ctrl T. Ctrl T will allow you to resize it, that is, to transform it to any size of your choice. So, and this box, this light box, you can also transform it by what? Ctrl T. And see it. So Ctrl T. That is that. So all you need to do here, since you've done that initially, just do what? Copy and what? Paste, to make your work more easier. But to make that, you just have to what? Make the fill a 0 first, then you can duplicate it as we did in the first place. You copy the stroke event here, then this, you make it, you copy from here and drag it there. So that's about that too. So to move the boat, you can just make it like this, and then you can also reduce the size again. Then you move it to the center. You're done. So please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Tutorials will be released every day. New things and new things will be done. Please, you can check on the link in the description page. You are going to see the PSD of this file. It's free to download, so that you can just do what? You can just edit and you can use it. Thank you so much.